I'm from a cold country up north called Sweden, and I decided to come to Australia because I wanted to do something out of my comfort zone, and now I'm just loving it. Hi, my name is Joy. I'm a team member of Red Sun Camels working at Cable Beach in Broome. Most of us working at the Camels are backpackers, so we're working holiday makers, and we're just loving this opportunity, being on the beach every day. We do a nice pre-sunset ride and then a sunset ride, which is phenomenal. A lot of people really enjoy it visiting here in Broome, and being on a camel is just such a cool experience. If you're thinking about doing a working holiday here in Western Australia, yes, go for it. If you have a calling, that will keep on calling you, and if you don't do it, you're probably regretting that in the future. So my advice is definitely just go for it.